So we're leaving Haneda Airport, Tokyo right now, and in this video, I want to give a quick overview of the kind of food that gets served on the flight from Tokyo to San Diego via United Airlines. It's dinner time. Let's see what United offered me here. This is butter for your bread. It's quite good. Here's the apple juice from Minute Maid. You also get a cold corn salad and mochi for dessert. And here is the chicken and rice. Okay, after like 6 hours of sleep, now they serve us breakfast. And it's just a simple egg and sausage. The airline's food did not impress me, but it was edible. I would give the dinner 8 out of 10 and the breakfast with very simple egg and sausage a 7 out of 10. Don't expect to eat fancy food on this United Airline experience.